The Pontiac Club de Mer, unveiled in 1956 at the General Motors Motorama, was a purpose-built concept car symbolizing General Motors' dedication to futuristic design. Conceived by engineer-designer Harley Earl, with involvement from Pontiac studio head Paul Gillian, it showcased innovative styling inspired by land speed record trials. The single prototype, along with a quarter-scale model, was presented in Miami, but General Motors ordered its scrapping in 1958. Designed with visual cues from contemporary aircraft construction, the de Mer featured a stainless steel monocoque, aerodynamic fascia, concealed headlights, and a single rear-deck dorsal fin. Its sleek, non-undulating profile resembled an American supersonic jet fighter, with minimal protrusions, no bumpers, and small door handles. The standout feature was its extremely low profile, just under 39 inches. The interior followed a functional approach, in line with its speed trial theme. Instruments, including a speedometer and triangularly configured gauges, were positioned behind a GT-style steering wheel. The bare-bones interior, finished in red, featured conventional doors for entry. Under the hood, the Pontiac Club de Mer housed the 287 OHV V8 engine, known as the Stratostreak, with a powerful 300 horsepower. The engine was modified with a high-lift cam and dual 4-barrel carburetors. The rear-mounted transaxle, a feature later seen in the 1961 Tempest, drove the rear wheels on a DDN-type rigid rear axle with independent suspension. The sole surviving model is owned by car collector Ron Pratt, who acquired it at the 2007 Barrett-Jackson Classic Car Auction for $75,000, previously owned by Joseph Bortz.